Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this video, we're going to continue with the grammar practice for the JLPT N4. Alright, as you know, you're going to pick the correct grammar pattern to make the sentence complete. Alright, so let's start. Haru ni natte ike no kori ga kimashita. You may pause the video or 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is tokete. Okay, tokete. From tokeru, to melt. When spring came, the ice on the pond melted. So tokete kimashita. And this is the grammar explanation. You can just read it yourself. Next, この掃除機は大きくて重いので blank. Pause the video or 5 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is tsukai nikui or tsukai nikui desu. Tsukai nikui desu. So it's the verb stem plus nikui. Means difficult to use. This vacuum cleaner is big and heavy, so it's difficult or hard to use. Next, A. このリンゴ、本当のリンゴに見えますね。そうですね。でも、すぐにわかりますよ。Pause the video. Okay, so the correct answer is sawattara. Sawattara. Okay, sawattara. If you touch. Okay. This apple really looks like a real apple, doesn't it? Yes, it does, but if you touch it, you'll know right away. So it's the conditional form of sawaru, to touch. Next, 子供の時、宿題を忘れて、よく廊下に blank. Pause the video. Okay, so the correct answer is tatasaremashita. Tatasaremashita. Number 3. So tatasaremashita, the passive causative meaning of tatsu. So when I was a child, kodomo no toki, shukudai o wasurete, I often forgot my homework and was made to stand in the hallway. Yoku roka ni tatasaremashita. Next, A. Blank desu ga, nani ka ii koto ga arimashita ka? Letter B. Iie, toku ni nani mo nai desu yo. Toku ni nani mo nai desu yo. So the correct answer is, this one's tricky, ureshiso. Number 1, ureshiso. Okay, ureshiso. You look happy. Did something good happen? No, not really, nothing in particular. So, the so is attached to the verb stem. So it means to look, right? Or to seem to. So in this case, seems to be happy. And next, hahaoya. Are, ソーセージがなくなっているけど、食べちゃったの子供。お父さんが猫にブランクいたよ。Right? So what is the correct answer? So the correct answer is 食べさせて。Right? 食べさせて。Meaning to made someone eat or to let someone do something. Saseru. That is the causative form. So 食べさせて. The sausages are gone. Did you eat them? Dad made the cat eat them. Okay? A. 隣の家におまわりさんが来ているね。何かあったのかな？ B. 泥棒がブランクよ。Okay, pause the video. Alright, so the correct answer is 入ったみたいだ。入ったみたいだ。 Express an appearance, meaning seems like someone entered. Okay, seems like someone entered. So it's hairu plus mitai. A police officer is at the house next door. I wonder what happened. It looks like a burglar got in. And next, 10時になっても店が開かないですね。今日はブランク。Okay? So the correct answer is 休みのようです。休みのようです。Okay? So it's the no yo des form. So no yo des used to express conclusion based on indirect evidence. So it seems they are close today. Yasumi no yo desu. And next, Yumi. トムさん、日本語が上手ですね。トム。話すのは得意ブランクが、書くのは本当にできなくて。Pause the video. Okay, so the correct answer is なんです。はい、なんです。Okay, so なんです is the polite explanatory form of んです。はい。Next, Sensei A. これは誰のレポートでしょうか？ Sensei B. 名前がブランクからわからないですね。Okay, so what is the correct answer? Pause the video. Okay, so the correct answer is 書いてありません。書いてありません。Okay. Whose report could this be? Since the name is not written, we can't tell, right? Okay, next, 会社で. In this part, we're going to rearrange the words. And whichever word falls on the line with the star on it, that is the correct answer. Okay, so let's go. 会社で in an office. 部長、この資料だけど、このグラフ、ブランク、ブランク、ブランク、ブランク、大きくしてみて。And then 社員。わかりました。Now let's pause the video and rearrange the words. Okay, I will now show the answer. So the correct order of the words and the correct answer is number 1. Okay, so number 1. この資料だけど、このグラフ小さすぎて見にくいから、okay, もう少し大きくしてみて。So the graph is too small and hard to see, so make it a little bigger. Okay. Next, さっきまでブランクブランクブランクブランク。急に雨が降り出した。Pause the video. Okay, so the correct order of words. Okay, so it's 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. So さっきまで晴れていたのに雨が暗くなってきて急に雨が降り出した。Until a moment ago, it was sunny, but then the sky got dark and suddenly it started raining. Okay, next, A. このスカートきつかったんだけど、買っちゃった。ダイエットしないと。B. どうしてちょうどいいブランクブランクブランクブランク。Okay. So, pause the video. Okay, so the correct word order, this one. So it's 4, 2, 3, 1. So the correct answer is 3. どうしてちょうどいい大きさの買わなかったの? The skirt was tight, but I bought it anyway. I really need to go on a diet. Why didn't you buy the size that fits you just right? Okay, for the last part, we have a short passage here, and there are missing words. And just like in the previous section, we're going to find the correct grammar to complete the sentence. Okay? So you may just pause the video and try read it yourself, or let's go read it. Read with me. Okay? So it's Watashi no haha. Watashi no haha, my mother. By Rin Mei. 私の母はとても厳しい人でした。私がまだ子供の時のことですが、電車に乗った時、席が空いても子供は立っていなさいと言ってくれませんでした。トイレの掃除が私の仕事でしたが、母がいいと言うまで、私は何度もやり直しをまた、私は野菜が嫌いでしたが、ご飯の残すことは絶対に許されませんでした。大学生になるまで友達だけで出かけるのはダメだと言われ、自由に出かけている友達のことをとても羨ましいと思いました。大学生かなり自分のしたいことができるようになりましたが、母と随分喧嘩もしました。けれども、母は病気になってからは怒る元気もでした。母は3年前に亡くなりました。母に怒られたことや喧嘩したことをよく思い出しますが、私は母に厳しくことが良かったと思っています。お母さん、ありがとう。I will show you the choices. Now you can pause the video and try and choose the correct answers. Okay, pause the video. Alright. So I will now turn to the correct answer. I will now show you the correct answers. Okay, so the correct answers are here. Here we go. Okay, so it's suwarasete, saseraremashita, ni naru to, nakunatta yo, and sudaterareta. And this is the English translation. Again, you can just pause the video and read the translation yourself. Okay, so I will now turn to the explanation for the correct answers. So these are the explanations. So sasete kurimasen deshita, did not let me do. So saseru, causative form. And then saseraremashita, it's the causative passive form. Yari naoshi o saseraremashita was made to redo. And then ninaruto, when I became, ninaruto. And then nakunatta yo deshita, seems to have loss. Nakunatta yo deshita. And finally, we have kibishiku sodaterareta. So was raised strictly by. Okay? So it's a passive form of sodateru. Okay? You may pause the video again and read the entire explanation.